Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y36 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by opening your keyboard and clicking on gear icon next to the clipboard at the top. Then select theme section. Scroll down and click on those icons at the top right corners of all of those categories to see available keyboards. When you find the best one for you, click on it. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher, and when you're ready, hit apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it instead, go back to exactly the same settings. But this time select this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done. Manage keyboarders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!